In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio website link to your LinkedIn profile. Before you begin, make sure your portfolio website link is copied and ready on your clipboard. This makes the process much faster since you'll be able to paste it in right away without having to switch tabs or search for the link later. If you want your profile to look polished and professional, it's also a good idea to double-check that the link is correct and leads directly to your portfolio homepage. Once you have that ready, go to LinkedIn and look to the top right corner of the page. Click on Me and then select View Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where you can edit the information that other people see when they visit your profile. This is the best place to update your About section, especially if you want to highlight your work, personal brand, or professional background. When you're on your profile page, find your About section. If you already have one, click the pen icon to edit it. If you haven't added an About section yet, click Add section so you can create one first. The About section is useful because it gives you space to introduce yourself in your own words and include important details that may not fit elsewhere on your profile. Adding your portfolio link here can make it much easier for recruiters, clients, or collaborators to find your work. Now, paste your portfolio website link into the About section. You can also include any other links or short descriptions you want to add there, as long as they support the message you want your profile to communicate. For example, you may want to place the link in a sentence that explains what kind of work people can expect to see when they visit your portfolio. Keeping the wording clear and simple usually works best, especially for viewers who may be scanning your profile quickly. Take a moment to review everything before saving, just to make sure the link appears correctly and the description sounds natural. A clean, well-written About section can make a strong first impression and encourage people to learn more about your experience and projects. And that's it, you've successfully added your portfolio website link to your LinkedIn profile.